Hi, in this video we will see how we can enable line number in SQL Server Management Studio query window. So for that you need to open a query window in particular database, then go to tools, options. Here you need to select text editor. Under text editor you need to go to Transact SQL. Then here you will find all these options. You just need to enable line numbers. So what it will do, once you will tick the checkbox, click OK, then you will see the line number of the left side wherever you type in the query window. So here we can discuss what is the benefit to enable the line numbers. Sometimes we have suppose lots of lines in our query. Suppose we are having thousands of rows in a stored procedure. So we just need to debug particular line number with the help of any name. So it sometimes it is difficult to get a particular name. So here what we can see, if we are getting any error, so directly we can jump on that particular line. Suppose if I'm pasting this code repeatedly and I have to move my cursor on a particular line number, which is suppose 303, and I am on the top. So what I will do, I will just press Ctrl G, and here I will type 303 number, click OK. It will point me or point my cursor on exact line number. So this is the help through which we can trace our query. So I hope this trick will help you out. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And for more information, you can also check out my blog, which link I will share in my description box, that how we can enable the line numbers. And also I have posted in Stack Overflow, so you can also check my post over here for the same. Yeah, thank you.